Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today, I just want to give you a quick update on our little garden beds that we made earlier in the season. I had shared this project with you. This is simply a cardboard box lined with a contractor bag. Then inside we got a couple plant pots made out of sandbags. The way this works, this is a water wicking system. So every week and a half, 2 weeks, I'll add some water into this vessel here, and it soaks into the plants over a duration of time. And as you can see, we've got some beautiful, lush green growth occurring on this longevity spinach plant. There's actually 2 in here. So we started with just a simple cutting in each pot, and now we've got several shoots, lots of leaves to consume. This is a delicious, edible green, a very mild flavor, wonderful in your stir fries, added to a smoothie, or eaten fresh out of hand. Say hi to our friends online, sweetie.
Hi, I'm still here, taking care of the plants, vegetables.
And how about you, Matilde? What are you up to? She's not in the mood to be on camera today. So if we take a look in the container right now, you'll see it's dry. So I'm going to add some more water in. So I just gave it a fill up. That will absorb once again into these pots. And for those that are looking for cheaper, affordable ways to grow more food at home, you may want to look into this technique. I'll drop a link down below sharing with you how I put this setup together, but it was pennies on the dollar. These plants absolutely free, taken as cuttings from the mother plant here in the garden. And I've said it many times, we live in a world of abundance. You just need to tap on into it.